Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I think this is going to be a shorter video. I only have 4 job leads for you today. It is a spring break in places here in the United States, and I'm just not seeing as many great jobs, but the ones I do have look pretty good. We have Amazon pharmacy hiring. We have Wayfair hiring someone to work with the businesses that order from them. We have a data quality specialist job, and we have one in the finance field. So hopefully we have a mixed bag, a little bit of something for everyone. As always, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need is always in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, give this video a thumbs up, like button, and let me know. Now, real quickly, before we dive into it today, I do want to say that my video that was posted on April 8th, there is a comment on it, and I want to say a big congratulations to Angela. Angela said that she got an interview for tomorrow, which would be today, for the shop care customer service position for Safelite. So congratulations. We are keeping our fingers crossed for you, Angela. I do want to point out, she did say they're doing a hiring event. So just an FYI. But I love hearing success stories of people getting interviews. I know that I am helping someone. So congratulations again, Angela, and keep us updated. But starting off, we have Smart Asset hiring. This is going to be in the financial field. They have 170 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a client experience specialist. This is remote for the United States. And so Smart Asset tries to help people make smarter financial decisions. And they are looking for somebody who's passionate about developing those relationships and creating user experiences that are positive for their customer base. So you're really interacting with customers through phone, email, SMS, text, and live chat, guarding those Smart Asset users through the process of matching and meeting up with financial advisors that will help them. And those matching them with financial advisors that specialize in the areas that they need help in or they are looking for help in. There's so many different areas of financial advice, from like investing to estate planning to all different things. And so there's going to be users that has previously expressed interest in meeting with a financial advisor, and you're going to reach out, make outbound phone calls, calls those users, speak to them, and kind of get them scheduled and set up with a financial advisor for them. So you're going to build relationships with the financial advisor partners so that you can help match them with the customers. And of course, you're documenting all your communications, any user challenges that the customers let you know about, you're documenting all that into the computer system. Now, it does have a schedule of Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll kind of have to convert your hours. No college degree is needed though, just somebody who's 1 year of like call center customer service or kind of telephone sales experience. Somebody who has experience doing multi-channel support. You can work with all the different things. Somebody who has strong email writing skills. You have great attention to detail, and you can kind of learn quickly and adapt to user and business needs. Now, pay is $45,000 a year base pay, which is about $21 some cents an hour. And then it says they estimate that you'll get an additional $15,000 a year on top of that in commissions and bonuses. Next up, we have ConCentrix hiring. They have 50,000 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data quality specialist. This is work from home for the United States. And ConCentrix provides technical products. So they have like cloud products, like cloud services and all kinds of different things. They are specifically looking for somebody to work to help their operations reporting, administrative support, and managing their partner data for their financial force system. So you're going to prepare quotes, contracts, and RFP or RFI responses. You're maintaining quote documentation, making sure it's got accurate pricing and configurations in the system, maintaining sales demonstration tools and application support for the sales team, and you're working with a few sources of data and systems. So you might have to deliver sales presentations or training. So maybe you need to create some PowerPoints or something. And you'll also assist customers by phone, email, live chat, helping diagnose and research any information, troubleshooting their issues, just making sure that everything is on the up and up. No college degree is needed for this. They do want somebody who's very analytical, though, has strong experience with Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, works kind of exactly the same. Somebody who's great communication skills, can kind of be organized, somebody who can focus on customer needs. They do prefer somebody who has previous experience with Salesforce and strong data entry skills. Now, pay for this looks a little bit on the lower end. It looks like it's $14.76 an hour up to $18.94 an hour. I do believe those commas are supposed to be periods. Now, keeping it moving, next up we have Amazon hiring. Amazon is specifically hiring for their pharmacy division. They have 229,000 reviews, an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a seasonal customer care representative for specifically Amazon Pharmacy. Now, even though this is a seasonal position, it is full-time, 40 hours per week due when you are working the season, and you're basically assisting customers virtually or other advisors through the phone, email, and web with any billing, insurance verification, products, or service questions. You're taking both inbound and making outbound phone calls. So you're kind of taking that hands-on approach, resolving every issue that comes in and kind of owning it from start to finish. You'll help answer things for the patients using Amazon Pharmacy, like their insurance, making sure it's on file, making sure it gets billed out, making sure that they have correct benefits for the drug or medication or whatever that they're trying to order through Amazon Pharmacy, and you'll help them with their co-pays. We all know insurance doesn't pay everything at 100%. Sometimes we have a co-pay deductible or whatever. You're going to help them know what their portion they have to pay is, as well as any shipping needs. Has their medications been shipped out? If people are using an online pharmacy, they probably need those medications by a certain date when they run out. So you're just basically helping customers navigate the Amazon Pharmacy, get their orders in, and any questions they have with that. Now, this only requires a high school diploma and 6 months of working with computer or web-based tools, so not a lot of experience is needed. You do need to be able to multitask, and they are going to require you to pass a drug screen. They prefer somebody who has at least 1 year of some kind of customer service experience, but as long as you have that 6 months of working with a computer, you should be good to go. Now, please note one thing with Amazon, they did not list pay for this specific job. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And of course, we have Wayfair hiring someone to work with their business customers, not their regular consumer customers. They have 7,300 reviews. They have a little bit lower rating at 2.9 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a B2B or business-to-business senior customer service associate. Again, this is a virtual work-from-home position for the United States. Pay for this one is going to be $17.65 an hour. But you're basically going to be taking phone calls from those business customers, helping them with shipping questions, damages, returns, replacements, assembly services, or any order notifications. Now, one thing Wayfair points out is they are not giving you any scripts to read off of. You're going to have to free-form talk to these people, so there are no canned responses. You're not giving the same response to all the customers with the same question. They are getting basically personalized service, which for the customer is a good thing, but for you, you'll have to be kind of good with words and just kind of know how to talk with customers. They are going to give you the training tools and decision-making ability to help those customers. And so you are basically providing a customer support for the businesses that are ordering and stocking Wayfair furniture in their stores. So maybe smaller furniture stores that sell Wayfair furniture. You will have to handle about 50 to 60 calls a day per your shift. But they don't have a lot of requirements. You do just have to have a high school diploma and be at least 18. They prefer somebody who has previous experience working with business customers, but that is not needed as long as you have your own internet, a safe space to kind of work in your home, and you have to pass the candidate assessment that to proceed with the interview process. So they're going to give you some kind of assessment up front when you apply for the job, and those who pass the assessment get an interview. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.